Hello, beautiful people. So, today, what I have in front of me and what I am going to be discussing about is the tgin, which stands for Thank God It's Natural, moisture rich, sulfate free shampoo with amla oil, coconut oil, a gentle moisturizing shampoo for all hair types. And then you see where it says like no sulfates, artificial colors, petroleum, mineral, all that good stuff. And there's the value size. First of all, let me just say, when I mean this shampoo does not make my hair hard, and it smells so good, and it's like when you're taking a shower and you are washing your hair with this and you're walking, you smell it. So I've been told it smells good. It smells really, really good in the hallway. This stuff is amazing. Like, it smells so rich. In another video, I would definitely discuss about what the almond oil is. Thank God it's natural. Like, it's a really good slip. Like, I literally felt a lot of moisture in my hair just from shampooing my hair. Probably like the second time, because it was like with all the, I kind of had a lot of product in my hair anyway, and then kind of like getting out. But I figured out kind of like, because it's been a while since I washed my own hair instead of going somewhere else. So I was like, what do I do again? Kind of having like, okay, am I putting enough product in my hair? But yeah, nothing against TGIN. Like, the second time when I was kind of like getting the feel for it, and like, okay, now I'm getting back emotional how to wash my hair again. Really good. This shampoo lathered my hair up so good. I felt that squeaky clean feel once my hair was like completely washed out. Like, I washed my hair, I think I washed it 3 times with this shampoo, just to make sure like every product was out of my hair. And the moisture, oh my god. And then it was so easy for me to comb my hair out once I got out the shower to apply deep conditioner. Oh my god, oh Lord have mercy, this shampoo got it going on. I'm not lying. Like, all right, now you're getting a little happy. Well, okay, when you find a good shampoo, you find a good product, that's you get happy, So on the back, it tells you about the story of the beautiful owner of tgin, and then it tells you the benefits of it. Cleans hair gently, and I don't know why I said gently. It's trying to be too proper. Okay, cleans hair gentle and effectively. Sulfate-free formula. Does not contain harsh detergents that strip the hair of its natural oils. Leaves hair feeling soft and smooth. They ain't never lied. Your hair feels so silky soft. Oh, okay, let me stay on task. Okay. Infused with almond oil for reduced breakage and increased moisture. So, ding ding ding, that was kind of like a sum up of like what almond oil is used for. Let me just say that again. There we go, right there. For reduced breakage and increased moisture. And let me say, I'm so glad that I read the back of it, because I am not kidding. When I was washing my hair and I was like combing it out and stuff like that, like at first, from all the old shedding hair and stuff like that, of course my hair was shedding. But after when I was combing it out, I didn't really see a lot of hair on my comb. Like, besides like the shedding, but I really didn't even see a lot of hair when I was combing it out. Like, once I got out the shower and like applying like deep conditioner, stuff like that, all in my hair and stuff like that, I didn't see it at all. I really want to get this whole line. Like, so far I got this whole line. I want to get some more of their products. Oh, okay. Anyway, so it says, apply a liberal amount of the shampoo into your palms, and shampoo second time if needed. Look, I shampooed my hair 3 times. I just want to make sure that it was gone, and the build-up product was gone. Okay, now I'm getting ready to smell. Describe the smell right quick. Oh, it smells so rich. Smells so fresh and so sweet. Like a shampoo that's gonna get down and just cleanse your hair. So it comes in a color like this. So like, oh my gosh, why is it? Yeah, it comes in this color. It kind of looks a little darker in person than it does on camera. Like it's more of like a yellowish tint. But I believe it's from like the oil, almond oil, I think. But yeah, it kind of looks a little more yellowish than this. Yeah, it has a color to it, so don't think, oh, it got a color to it, that's not the, no, it's supposed to, it has some type of color. It's not necessarily like clear, even though this was like the last bottle of shampoo. Yeah, this was the last bottle. Out of all the bottles that was out there, oh, this was the last one, and this one was for me, and this was my divine timing on getting it. And I just want to say thank you that I experienced this wonderful shampoo that I love. Yeah, I really do love this shampoo. So yes, again, this is the tgin. Again, it stands for thank God it's natural, ladies, and it's for all hair types, no hair types at all. And I'm pretty sure it will help out too, like for people that got like chemical treatments in there and stuff like that, even with color. Yeah, this will do. This will definitely do. Go ahead and get you a bottle in so you can see for yourself on what it can do.